Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can create an API token for your workspace in the Plane project management application in 2025. So let us dive into this. So guys, make sure that you're logged into the Plane project management application and simply click into that gear icon in the bottom left corner to access your account settings. Now switch from workspace in the top left to account. And here at the bottom of that panel to the left, under the developer section, you will see these tokens. So click into it, and after that you would see all API tokens you've already created within the given account and that are also active. So you may, for example, deactivate it or delete it here to the right, or create a new one by clicking into this button. And after that, let me give it a name, like, I don't know, my PA token 2. You may describe it, set an expiration date, of course. Let me go with 1 month. And last but not least, confirm by clicking into a generate token. Alternatively, guys, you may set or enable the never expires feature, generate it, and after that you will see it here, so that you may copy it, for instance. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.